In today's video, we delve into a pressing and urgent topic: the impact of climate change on global wildlife populations. As shifting climates and extreme weather patterns escalate, our planet's biodiversity faces unprecedented threats. From habitat loss to increased human-wildlife conflict, we'll explore the various challenges that wildlife encounters in this rapidly changing environment. Join us as we examine the crucial role of keystone species and discuss the necessary steps we must take to embrace change and protect our natural allies in the fight against climate change. 1. Climate change threatens vital biodiversity. Our planet is now approximately 1.1 degrees Celsius warmer than it was in the 1800s. If current trends continue, temperatures could rise by a staggering 2.7 degrees Celsius by the end of this century. This seemingly small increase can have dramatic effects on the Earth's complex ecosystems. These changes are not isolated, they ripple through interconnected systems, affecting biodiversity at every level. Animals, plants, and habitats will all feel the impact as they struggle to adapt to the new normal. The most significant threats include habitat loss, natural disasters, and human-wildlife conflict. 2. Habitat loss. A growing concern. Rising temperatures have a direct impact on vegetation, food sources, and access to water, creating inhospitable conditions for many species. As ecosystems become unlivable, animals are forced to migrate, often outside of their usual patterns, in search of sustenance and shelter. This displacement can lead to increased mortality rates and, in some cases, drive species to extinction. For instance, if habitat loss and fragmentation continue at the current rate, combined with poaching, Africa's elephant population could vanish in the next 40 years. This is not just a loss for biodiversity, it's a critical loss for the ecosystems that elephants help to maintain. 3. Natural disasters. A force of destruction. The frequency and intensity of natural disasters have surged in the past 50 years, with a five-fold increase in climate-related events such as droughts, wildfires, and hurricanes. These disasters wreak havoc on both human and wildlife populations, destroying habitats and causing loss of life on a massive scale. The Black Summer bushfires in Australia during 2019-2020 serve as a stark reminder. These fires consumed 186,000 square kilometers of land and led to the death or displacement of an estimated 3 billion animals, including koalas and kangaroos. The aftermath of such events leaves lasting scars on the environment and its inhabitants. 4. Human-wildlife conflict. A growing challenge. As climate change reshapes ecosystems, it intensifies the conflicts between humans and wildlife. Habitat loss and extreme weather events force both people and animals into closer proximity, often leading to devastating consequences. As resources become scarce, wildlife may encroach on human settlements in search of food and water. This can lead to retaliatory actions from humans, further endangering already vulnerable species. For example, jaguars preying on domestic animals often face retaliation from farmers, accelerating their population decline. The balance between coexistence and conflict becomes increasingly delicate as climate change progresses. 5. Extinction. A looming threat. The myriad challenges posed by climate change have the potential to drive many species to extinction. Animals already on the brink face the greatest risk. The North Atlantic right whale, for instance, is teetering on the edge with only 336 individuals remaining. The warming ocean, coupled with human-induced threats like vessel strikes and fishing gear entanglement, could lead to their extinction. Each lost species represents a missing piece in the intricate puzzle of our planet's biodiversity, weakening the entire ecosystem. 6. Animals and habitats. Our allies in fighting climate change. Despite the dire situation, there is hope. Animals and ecosystems are not just victims, they are vital allies in combating climate change. The United Nations estimates that healthy ecosystems could contribute 37% of the carbon reductions needed to stabilize global temperatures. Plants and trees in these ecosystems absorb carbon dioxide, storing it and preventing it from contributing to global warming. Protecting and restoring natural habitats is a powerful tool in our arsenal against climate change. 7. The role of keystone species. Keystone species play critical roles in maintaining the health of ecosystems. Whales, for instance, contribute to marine health through their nutrient-rich waste, which supports phytoplankton growth. Phytoplankton, in turn, absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to mitigate climate change. Similarly, elephants are ecosystem engineers, dispersing seeds and creating spaces that promote plant growth, which in turn captures CO2. Even pangolins, by controlling ant and termite populations, help maintain the balance in their ecosystems. Each species has a unique role that contributes to the overall health of the planet. 8. The path forward. Embracing change. The challenges posed by climate change are daunting, but they also present an opportunity for positive change. By recognizing the essential roles that animals and ecosystems play, we can make informed decisions that benefit both wildlife and humanity. Conservation efforts, habitat restoration, and sustainable practices can help mitigate the impact of climate change. It is a shared responsibility to protect the planet's biodiversity, ensuring a future where both people and wildlife can thrive. The choices we make today will shape the world for generations to come.